If you're still manually searching for data from time ranges, you can stop now. Let me show you how to use timeline filters in Microsoft Excel. Timeline filters help you simplify the process of filtering data with specific time ranges, making it easier to analyze and visualize trends over time. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's the available data as per usual, and as you can see here, it's already formatted in formal table. And to do the timeline filters, you have to change this table into PivotTable. So you have to block all of your data like this by pressing Ctrl+A and then go to Insert and choose PivotTable. Click on From Table Arrange, and you will have this pop up with your table in it automatically, and choose New Worksheet for this table. After you're done, click on OK. And here you have your PivotTable in a new sheet. Here in the PivotTable field, let's set the following data by adding sales region in rows and sales in values. After you're done, your PivotTable will look like this, allowing you to filter your region and values data. Next, as you can see here, on the ribbon, we have this PivotTable Analyze option. And after you click on that, you will have this filter group, and in the filter group, let's choose this Insert Timeline. And you will get this pop-up which only shows order date because as the name feature suggests, insert timeline, so it will only show the order date. You click on the box and after you're done, click on OK. And there you have it, your timeline filters. Here's the data from all periods by months, and you can slide it like this to check the months that you have in your data. For example, if you want to check them one by one, you can just click it like this and your PivotTable data will adjust accordingly. Other than months, we also have yearly data, and in this timeline filter, only 2024 is available because in our original data, we only have for the year 2024. Next, we also have quarters in these timeline filters, and when you click the quarter options, your PivotTable data will adjust accordingly. And of course, we have days in timeline filters. We have 1 to 30 because that's the total days in our original data. Now, let's say you want your data to go back to the beginning. No, of course you don't have to click them one by one like this, because it will take a lot of time. All you need to do is click this clear filter button and your data will go back as it was like in the beginning. And that's all about timeline filters. Now you don't have to search your data manually anymore. Don't forget to practice it at home. Give this video likes, comments if you have any questions, and share it with your friends if you find this video helpful. Also, subscribe to this channel for more video tutorial like this. See you in another video!